Hey friends, if you wish to remove the background of a picture with Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So how would you do that? First of all, I will click on insert. I will select a picture. Let's say I'll select this picture and I need to remove its background. Okay. So I'll select this picture and then the picture format tab will appear. If I click outside, this tab will not appear. So I have to click on the picture. Then I will click on remove background and it will show what all has to be removed, but I can hit enter and remove it. Now this is not a good background remover, but it works. Okay, I mean, I still think that it would have been much better, but anyway, so this is what can be done. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.